did you have any awareness of the Jewish background of your family?
Right. So this is kind of parallel to this. I had no idea about anything Jewish until I am always trying to figure that out, but I think I was like around 9, maybe 9 or 10, when I first even heard the word Jew. I may have heard it before, but I never noticed. So here I needed to notice because why it must be that late is because that was when I started singing in the theater. And because I was singing in the theater and I was a so-called child star, the Jewish Community Center in Prague, they had a habit of, for the festivals like Purim or Hanukkah, they would always make these big simchas, like big celebrations of some kind that would involve popular people from Czech culture that had Jewish connections, something like one drop of Jewish blood or something like that, or one finger. And so as being that, unknowingly, I got invited to sing, and I think the first one was Purim. I don't know if it was Hanukkah, but I think it was Purim, to come and sing at the Jewish Community Center's celebration. Yep. And so for that, I didn't know anything at all, zero, nothing. So my mom told them, well, yeah, she can do it, but, you're going to have to teach her what you want her to do because, of course, there was no Yiddish, no Hebrew, no nothing. And so on the first trip, we went by streetcar to the Jewish Community Center to meet the, at the time, director, whose name was Dr. Iltis. No, I'm sure survivor from God knows where, and who was the director there for a long time. And so for this meeting on the streetcar was when my mother finally told me the word Jewish. And she says, oh, by the way, we're going to, she first presented it like, we're going to this place, they want you to sing, And she suddenly realized that she doesn't know anything about anything, And it's not like I'm that little, like I'm already almost her height, right? So she tells me, and by the way, this is the Jewish Community Center. And I said, so what does that mean? And she says, well, we're a Jewish family. I'm Jewish. You're half Jewish. And I say, and what does that mean? And then she tells me in like one sentence or two, Jews were people that they tried to kill but didn't succeed. And that's why I knew the word terezin, but I never knew really what that was. But I heard it mentioned many times. I just never really paid any attention. And nobody explained. And also, I think by then my mom showed me fleetingly, oh, this is my diary from Terezin, because she has a diary. And, but again, like it meant absolutely nothing, So anyway, so now she tells me, well, that's why I was in Terezin with my family, and that's why you have no grandfather, and that's why you have no relatives at all. And I said, whoa, all this, like 3 sentences literally, that was it. And by then we were there already. And I was just going, wow, that's amazing.